Ever wonder why you feel or act a certain way? The biological approach in psychology says it all starts inside our bodies. Our thoughts, feelings, and actions are rooted in our brains, hormones, and genes, shaped by evolution to help us survive. Scientists use brain scans and hormone tests to connect our moods and behaviors to physical processes. For example, lack of sleep makes us grumpy, and adrenaline surges when we're scared. Clear links between body and mind. The mind and body aren't separate, they're deeply connected. When you're nervous, your heart races and your palms sweat, physical reactions to psychological states. The biological approach explores how our nervous system, hormones, and genetics create who we are. Understanding this empowers us to make choices that support our mental health. It explains why some people are more anxious, or why teens take risks. Their brains are still developing. By knowing how activities can change our brain chemistry, we can live healthier, more informed lives. The biological approach gives us a scientific foundation for understanding and improving ourselves. Sleep reveals just how much biology shapes our minds. In 1957, Dement and Kleitman discovered REM sleep, the stage when our eyes dart and dreams are most vivid. By waking people during REM and non-REM sleep, they found dreams almost always happened in REM. This proved dreaming is a biological process tied to specific brain activity. They even explored if eye movements matched dream content, hinting at a deep brain-mind connection. Their work showed dreams aren't random, they're linked to measurable brain events. REM sleep is now known to be vital for memory, learning, and emotional health. Without enough REM, our mood and thinking suffer. This research transformed our understanding of sleep, showing how biology and experience are intertwined. It's a clear example of the biological approach in action. The biological approach helps us explore nature versus nurture. In 2008, researchers gave monkeys a choice of masculine wheeled toys and feminine plush dolls. Male monkeys preferred wheeled toys, females liked plush ones, mirroring human children's choices. Since monkeys aren't influenced by human culture, these preferences suggest a biological basis. Hormones or evolutionary pressures may drive these choices, like males preferring objects that move, linked to hunting. Females' interest in plush toys may relate to nurturing behaviors. The study shows biology gives us a starting point, while culture shapes how these tendencies play out. Our behavior is a mix of nature and nurture, woven together from birth. Understanding biology helps us see the full picture of why we act the way we do. The biological approach shows our brains can change thanks to neuroplasticity. In 2011, Britta Holzel's team found that just 8 weeks of mindfulness meditation increased gray matter in key brain areas. Participants practiced mindfulness daily, and MRI scans showed growth in regions linked to memory, empathy, and stress reduction. The amygdala tied to fear and stress actually shrank, matching participants' lower stress levels. This proves our thoughts and actions can reshape our brains. Mindfulness isn't just calming, it creates lasting, positive brain changes. The mind can influence biology, not just the other way around. Understanding this gives us practical tools to boost mental health. The biological approach reveals how our choices can transform our brains and well-being. We have the power to shape our own minds.